Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make your Instagram account private. So if you also want to make your Instagram account private, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to the home interface. So sometimes you might want to ensure the privacy on your Instagram account. You might not want everyone to see your posts and profile. In that case, you have to make your Instagram account private. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to view your profile. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings and activity interface. You'll be able to find several options related to settings and activity over here. You'll be able to find the options for your account, how you use Instagram, who can see your content, etc. Scroll down. Now under the section of who can see your content, at first you'll be able to find the option for account privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, my account is not private. When your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they do not have the Instagram account. But when you switch to the private account, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos. Only certain info like profile picture and username will be visible to others. So if you want to switch to the private account, simply toggle this button that you can see right over here in this interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several informations over here. If you switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you. Also, no one will be able to reuse your content. Simply tap on the option switch to private that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here your account has been switched to private. So that is how you make your Instagram account private. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.